Storage is an issue for everyone, whether you're a tradie, a caravanner, whether it's in the garage at home, or whether you're out camping and four-wheel driving. These two cases could be the solution to the problem. These are the Handy 100 cases by CAOS. These cases are sturdy but lightweight. They have wheels at one end, so you can load them up if you're out there by yourself. They have two robust, easy grip handles at the ends, three easy to operate latches. You can see underneath the lid here where it gets its strength from. They come with a heavy duty rubber seal around the lid, and that keeps them waterproof and dust proof to keep everything safe. And for those of you who are security conscious, it has 6 positions for padlocks around the edge of the lid. These cases are available in the black and the grey. Also available to fit inside these boxes are these Handy cases. Now these are available in 3 different colours: the orange, the black and the semi-transparent. These Handy 100 cases come with a lifetime warranty. If you want to know more about this and other storage solutions, go to the website at caos.com.au.